Hello, Mo families. This presentation is created by the Mo Vanguard team. Today, we will be talking about accessing Microsoft Teams and joining a Teams meeting. Part 1. Accessing Microsoft Teams. Step 1. Go to Fulton County ClassLink. The link is shown below. Enter your student's username. Enter your student's password. Click Sign In. You can sign in on ClassLink using a QR code. You can sign in on a PC device. You can sign in on a tablet. Or you can sign in on a smartphone. Step 2. In ClassLink, find the Microsoft Office 365 icon. The picture is shown above in red. Step 3. Look for the Microsoft Teams icon inside of the Microsoft Office 365 folder. Click the blue Microsoft Teams icon. When your Microsoft Teams page opens up, look at the very bottom left corner and look for the symbol that the orange arrow is pointing to. This will download the Microsoft Teams as an app on your desktop. Step 5. Once you have downloaded the Microsoft Teams app, look for the picture above. This will be your Microsoft Teams app on your desktop. Students can do this if they have a Chromebook or another PC device. If you use a smartphone or tablet, you can search the Microsoft Teams app in the App Store. You can also find it on the Google Play Store or any other site where you get your apps. Part 2. Joining a Microsoft Teams meeting. Step 1. Open your Microsoft Teams app and find your student's class team. Your student will have several teams on their page. Look for your teacher's name or icon. They will tell you what to look for. When you open up your class team, the first option to join a team meeting is to look for the blue Join button and the top picture that the orange arrow is pointing to. Click on that blue Join button. Next, on the picture on the right, you will be able to check your meeting settings before clicking the blue Join Now button. Make sure that your web camera, is turned on or off. Make sure that your microphone is turned on or off. Your teacher will let you know their preference on how to enter a meeting. Option 2 to joining a Microsoft Teams meeting. Go to your email and look for your teacher's email where they have invited you to a meeting. go click the Join Microsoft Teams Meeting link to open up the meeting. If you need to, you can type in the phone number and conference ID that are listed underneath the blue Microsoft Teams meeting link. Once you open up your Microsoft Teams meeting, you will be able to check your meeting settings before clicking the blue Join Now button. You will be able to check your camera, your web camera options, and your microphone options. Thank you for watching this presentation created by the Mo Vanguard team. I hope that you were able to learn how to access Microsoft Teams and how to join a Teams meeting.